If you've ever enjoyed a refreshing bowl of Fura the Nunu, you know just how delicious and satisfying this traditional northern Nigerian treat can be. Made from millet, Fura is a nutrient-rich spice dumpling that pairs perfectly with fermented milk, Nunu, creating a creamy, wholesome meal. The best part? You don't have to travel to the north to enjoy it. With a few simple ingredients, you can prepare Fura at home. Come with me to my kitchen, let me show you how. Hello kitchen lovers and welcome to my kitchen my ways. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are super welcome. Do well to subscribe, share, like and turn on the bell icon so you get notified when next I post a video like this. Now to the business of the day. So in a clean bowl I go in with my washed millet, washed and dried millet, dried ginger, some cloves and some chili pepper. I take it to the grinder and I grind it into a fine powder. I measure about 4 cups of the grounded millet powder into a clean pot, like so. Now I go in with some clean water, enough to cover the millet powder. I mix to get a very smooth paste like this. Added in some more water, mix very well. This I went in with some salt and then cover to ferment overnight. Now this is the next morning, you can see it has fermented. I put it on my stove top and begin to stir until it's cooked and it's formed into a bowl like this. Continue to turn until it's well cooked. Now you bring it down and allow it to cool down completely before you start molding it into bowls like this. After molding, you toast it into the millet powder, the spice millet powder. This will prevent the Fura from getting dry. Just fetch a small portion like this. Mold it into a bowl like so, and then toast it into the millet powder. You keep doing this until you exhaust the whole Fura like so. This is it. We now have our bowl of Fura. I served mine with homemade Nunu. If you want me to show you how I made my own Nunu at home, please comment in the comment section and I'll be glad to do so. So there you have it. Our refreshing Fura the Nunu is ready. Serve and enjoy. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, comment and also turn on the bell icon so you get notified when next I post another video such as this. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.